Hello, namaste, hola, ni hao, bonjour. A big warm welcome to all my new and returning viewers to my channel Money Plant. Get ready for another adventure, Bangalore Airport. The Bangalore International Airport is not just a hub for travel, but also a beautiful example of how nature can be integrated into modern infrastructure. Imagine stepping off a plane and being greeted not just by the bustle of an airport, but by a refreshing oasis of greenery. Bangalore has truly embraced the concept of a garden airport. Throughout the terminals and even in the outdoor spaces, you will find a stunning array of plants, meticulously maintained gardens, and vertical green walls. This is not just for aesthetics, it's conscious effort to create a calming and welcoming environment for travelers. The carefully curated plant's life includes a variety of local and exotic species, adding vibrant colors and diverse textures to the airport's modern architecture. These garden spaces offer a moment of tranquility amidst the often stressful experience of air travel. They provide fresh air, reduce noise pollution, and even help to regulate the temperature within the airport. One of the most remarkable aspects is the sheer scale and thoughtful design of these garden initiatives. It's clear that a lot of effort has gone into selecting plants that thrive in the local climate and contribute to sustainable ecosystem. The airport's commitment to creating a biophilic design, one that concepts people with nature, is evident in every corner. So, the next time you are passing through Bangalore International Airport, take a moment to appreciate the incredible work that has gone into making it a true garden in the sky. It's a testament to how urban development can coexist beautifully with nature, offering a breath of fresh air and a sense of calm to millions of travelers every year. Thank you so much to come to my channel and watch my video. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.